Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia X20, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now before we get started, you'll need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in a box. You can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well as this. So anyway, once you have one of like the SIM eject tool or the paper clip, you want to take off any kind of cover if you have one on your phone, and then locate the SIM tray, which on this phone it is located on the upper left side of the device. As you can see right here where the pin is holding right now. So once you find it, push the pin in, and as you can see the tray pops out just a little bit, enough for you to grab it and take it out. Now on the tray you have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. If you're planning to use dual SIM, you'll just place it sideways on the SD tray, and if you're planning to go with one of each, just move it over and occupy the SD card tray with obviously SD card. And from here you can insert it back into your device. Give it a second and it should start working automatically. There we go. So it's prompting me to put in a pin for my SIM card. So the SIM card is working. And SD card should be working as well, as you can see right here. SD card, so top 2 setup, so it is also detecting it. So that is how you could insert your SIM and SD card into this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.